Hi everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me on this another vlog. It's Sunday morning when I'm filming this, but I'm gonna share everything about yesterday's vlog. So I guess title of this video should be Saturday special. Anyhow guys, Monday is the Memorial Day, so we don't have a school, offices, everything is closed. So for these 3 days, we did not plan anything. There was nothing special in our agenda that we want to take care of it, except today we are invited at the friend's house, but other than that, nothing. So yesterday morning, me and my son decided to go to mall, and उसको actually मुझे लालच देना पड़ा कि तू चल मेरे साथ, क्योंकि जब भी मॉल का नाम आता है ना, सब मुझसे दूर भागता है, क्योंकि उनको पता है कि मैं कपड़े के स्टोर में जाऊंगी, सफोरा के स्टोर में जाऊंगी, तो किसी को आना पसंद नहीं होता है. सो वहाँ पे एक शूज़ का स्टोर है जो उसे बहुत पसंद है, और एक मैक्सिकन रेस्टोरेंट है जिसका खाना बहुत अच्छा होता है. So I told him, I said, please come with me because I just needed some company, you know. So he's like, finally he got convinced. He's like, ठीक है, चलो चलता है. So as soon as we went there, I guess because of the long weekend, there was not that many people were there, and there were a massage chair as soon as we walked there. So I was like, let's go and take the advantage of it before someone comes. So we sat there. Basically, you just put the money in there. You can sit there for 15 to 30 minutes. And it's massage your head, your back, your feet. And it was such a relaxing morning for both of us. So I would highly recommend, guys, especially the mothers out there, you know, once in a while, just go for massage. You will love it. I used to go for massage. I would say, actually, I haven't been, it's been more than a year, but I used to go. And it's good for your, you know, it's calm you down. It's good for blood circulation, and you know, it makes you relax. So definitely, guys, you know, go for massage. You will love it. So then after that, I went to Charming Charlie because Charming Charlie was right behind it, and I did not buy anything, but of course I had to go there just to see what they have. So I went there, and I'm sure I'm gonna have lots of questions about this necklace. No, this is not from Charming Charlie. I bought this from Nordstrom Rack, and I will link it down below in the description box. It's an initial. It's a very different. It's not like, you know, typical. So as soon as, I mean, as you can see, you can wear it like this, you can have it like this, and this is how I like it. And these earrings are, if I can find it, I'm gonna link it down below, but these are all from Bubble Bar. And actually I was getting ready to go to my friend's house. That's why you see all this stuff. Anyhow, so after that I went to Sephora because I need to pick up some stuff, and then I took him to his store where he wants to go. And then we also went to Mexican restaurant. Again, this Mexican restaurant is a chain restaurant. It's everywhere in state here, and the name of it is the On the Border. They have really good vegetarian choices, so we went there for lunch. जब हम वापस आ रहे थे तो बारिश होना शुरू हो गई, और आजकल हमारे यहाँ पे बारिश का सीज़न चल रहा है, तो बहुत हो रही थी, इतनी हो रही थी कि मुझे कुछ आगे दिखाई भी नहीं दे रहा था. इट वॉज दैट बैड. तो वो बारिश का वेदर मुझे एक्चुअली फ़्लोरिडा की याद दिला दी, क्योंकि फ़्लोरिडा में भी यही है कि जून से सितंबर तक, यू नो, ये हरिकेन का सीज़न चलता है वहाँ पे. तो ऑलमोस्ट एवरी सिंगल डे वी हैव अ रेन, एंड वहाँ का बारिश भी ऐसा ही है कि इतनी होगी ना कि आपको सामने कुछ दिखाई भी नहीं देगा. तो आधे घंटे तक, 1 घंटे तक वो बारिश इतनी होगी, पर उसके बाद फिर धूप निकल आएगी. तो जो भी है, पानी पानी सब कुछ चला जाएगा, क्लियर हो जाएगा सब कुछ. तो वहाँ की बारिश वैसी है. सो यू नो, अगेन इट रिमाइंड्स मी फ्लोरिडा. तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कि जब मैं वहाँ पे थी शादी से पहले, तो मैं क्या करती थी, और एज अ फैमिली हम लोग वीकेंड में क्या करते थे वहाँ पे. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग केम इन माई माइंड इज़ कि मम्मी जो सैटरडे का हमारा ये जो खाना है, वो स्पेशल खाना जो हमेशा एवरी सैटरडे मेरे घर पे बनता था. और यू नो, मेरे पापा और मम्मी दोनों को दे लव टू हैव द पीपल ओवर. सो जितने भी वहाँ पे हमारे को इंडियंस नेबर थे और फ्रेंड्स थे, तो मम्मी दोपहर को और शाम को फ़ोन करती थी कि भई आप क्या बना रहे हो, आपका खाना लेके यहाँ पे आ जाओ, मैं ये बना रही हूँ, तो सब साथ में मिलके खाना खाएंगे. सो दैट्स हाउ द एटमोसफियर स्पेशली इन द वीकेंड वहाँ का रहता था मेरा. So then I thought कि let me make what mom used to make it every single Saturday. And ये खाना हमारे घर पे इसलिए बनता था क्योंकि I'm sure you guys must be familiar कि शनिवार जो होता है हनुमान जी का वार है और शनि भगवान का भी है. तो हम लोग हनुमान जी में बहुत ही मानते हैं. तो शनिवार के दिन हमारे घर पे उड़द की दाल बनती थी, पराठे और ग्रीन चिली मिर्च जो हमारी रहती है तीखी वाली, और ओनियंस एंड छाछ. ये स्टेपल रहता था मेरे घर पे हमेशा. एवरी सैटरडे ये बनता था. और जैसे मॉम बनाती थी, जिसने भी ये दाल मॉम की खाई है ना, सब लोग बोलते थे कि इट्स वन ऑफ द बेस्ट वन. सो व्हेन आई वाज कमिंग बैक आई वाज लाइक पता नहीं क्यों फ्लोरिडा की याद आती है, तो ऑब्वियसली मम्मी पापा तो पहले ही याद आते हैं. So I was missing mom a lot yesterday. So then I decided कि ठीक है चलो घर जाके आज मैं पराठा बनाती हूँ और ये दाल. So I'm gonna share that recipe with you guys and let's get started. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and make the tadka for the dal. So in the pan, I took little bit ghee. In that, I add mustard seed, cumin seed, chopped onion, garlic, and one red whole chili. I'm gonna let that saute just for a few minutes or so, and then I'm gonna add the chopped tomato. On the other side in the pressure cooker, I took the urad dal, the one that is without the skin. When I pressure cooked that, I did not add any salt or spices. So basically that is just the plain dal. After adding tomato, I'm gonna let that saute just for a few minutes or so until the tomato is softened. And then I'm gonna add all the dry masala in there. So first of all, I'm gonna add the red chili powder, dhania jeera powder, haldi powder. I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything very well. And at this point, as you can see, it's very dry. So we wanna add some kind of liquid in there. You can also add water. Since I already had the dal next to it, I just add the dal in there. Because it's dry, the chances are it's gonna get burned and we don't want that. That's the reason we want to add just a little bit of liquid in there. After adding liquid, I'm gonna again let that saute for a few minutes until all the masala is cooked properly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and transfer that into the dal. And that's about it, guys. Our dal is all done. If you want, you can just add a little bit of lemon juice in there and that's it. Add salt to taste and that's about it. Our dal is all done. I would highly recommend, guys, that at least try this recipe once. I'm sure you guys will love it because it came out so good. Only thing you need to remember here is when you make the tadka, just make it in the ghee and not the oil. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make the atta for the paratha. So for that, I took a little bit of oil as well as salt. And then I'm now gonna go ahead and make the dough. So you want to add the water as you bind all the flour together. So this atta shouldn't be too hard, shouldn't be too soft. It should be almost like a roti atta that we make. After making atta, I'm gonna go ahead and let that rest just for about 15-20 minutes. And yes, I do have all the makeup on my hand because as I mentioned earlier, I went to Sephora. So now I'm gonna take a little bit in my hand and I'm just gonna roll it first, not too big, and then I'm gonna apply a little bit of oil. So as you can see, it's not too big, but now I'm gonna go ahead and apply oil. You can use the ghee, but I don't know, somehow with the oil it tastes better than the ghee. After applying that, I'm gonna just take the entire thing and just dip that into the flour, fold it again in a half, apply the oil as well as the flour, and then again I'm gonna go ahead and roll this. So you can roll this in the triangle, circle, doesn't matter, whichever shape you like it. But then believe me, guys, by doing this, the paratha will come out so soft. Usually paratha at my house is not the favorite, no one likes it, but with this dal especially, everyone prefer the paratha and not the roti. So I'm just gonna go ahead and roll that, and then after a few minutes you want to flip it, apply a little bit oil on the both side, and that's about it. The paratha will be ready. So just to save some time, I'm gonna go ahead and make 2 paratha at the same time. And on this other side, as you can see, dal is boiling. Particular this dal doesn't take that long to cook at all. So once I was done making the paratha, into the same pan, I'm gonna add little oil there. So we don't need to use any other pan. We can just make it in this particular pan. So we don't have to wash that many dishes. So now I'm gonna go ahead and transfer the onions as well as the green chilies in there. Let that saute just for a few minutes or so. We don't want to cook both of them down. We still want some crunch. So just 5 minutes is good enough. And then after that, I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit salt on top of that, and that's about it. So friends, this is it. My dinner is all done. As you can see, I do have the green chilies, onion, my chash is there, and yes, I put some reusable ice in there just to make sure the chash stay nice and clean. And if you add the ice in there, it's kind of watery down, so that's the reason I'm using those kind of ice. And my yummy dal is all done here, as well as the paratha. And again guys, this particular recipe brought so many memories back, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.